Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we will be discussing few vocabularies of fractions. Consider this number 3 by 4. Here, the top number 3 that is referred to as the numerator. And the number 4 at the bottom that is referred to as the denominator. How you should remember this denominator? Generally, this is a top part, this is a bottom part. So, this down part, so D, it refers to denominator, D to D. So, down part is called the denominator, the top part is called the numerator. This is the first vocabulary in fraction. Now, the second one. Say, consider this number 1 by 2. You know, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. This is called a proper fraction. This is called a proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator will be less than the denominator. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. In a proper fraction, the numerator will be always less than the denominator. Here 1 is less than 2. So that is a proper fraction. Again 4 by 5. That is a proper fraction because the numerator 4 is less than 5. And then 7 by 9, this is a proper fraction. The numerator is less than the denominator. Now what is a improper fraction? For an improper fraction, the numerator will be greater than the denominator. Here you can see the numerator 9 is greater than the denominator 5. So in this case, this type of fractions are called improper fractions. For example, 10 by 9, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Again, 7 by 5, it's an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now let us talk about like denominators and unlike denominators. First, let us see what you meant by like denominators. In the case of like denominators, consider these two numbers 3 by 4, 2 by 4. These two numbers. Say we are going to simply add it or subtract it, whatever. So here you can see the bottom numbers, they are the same. Such type of fractions are called like denominators. That is, the bottom denominators will have the same numbers. That is called the like denominators. It can be anything. 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9. So here you can see the denominators are the same. Such fractions are called like denominators. Now let us see what you meant by an unlike denominators. In the case of unlike denominators, the bottom number will be different. For example, 4 by 5, say plus 3 by 9. Here the number at the bottom are 5 and 9. So these denominators are different. So they are called unlike denominators, which means the bottom denominator numbers are different. Now another example, say 7 by 9 minus 4 by 3. So here you can see the bottom denominators are different. So such type of fractions are called unlike denominators. Next we will see what is a mixed fraction. Say 1 3 by 4. You can see the number 1 here, this is called a whole number and this 3 by 4 is a fraction. A combination of the whole number and a fraction, they are referred to as mixed fractions. This type of numbers are called mixed fractions. For example, say 5 1 by 2. You have got a whole number and a fraction. So these types of fractions are called mixed fractions. Another example, 7 9 by 2. It can be anything. 5 4 by 9, 1 1 by 9 or 1 2 by 4. So these types of fractions which consist of a whole number and a fraction, they are referred to as mixed fractions. So these are the few vocabularies you should know in fractions before you start doing simplifying fractions or adding or subtracting or multiplying, those types of operations. Hope you have understood about few vocabularies in fraction in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.